y'all make some more noise for my motherfucking family right there, man. It's so cold out here, man. It's so cold out.